Hey there, if you're looking for missing columns in Excel, you might actually mean one of two things: columns that are hidden and need to be revealed, or adding entirely new columns to your spreadsheet. I'll walk you through both, starting with the most common fixes. The first thing to check is whether your columns are just hidden. You'll know this is the case if the column letters skip, like you see A, B, then D with no C in between, and there's a slightly thicker border where the missing column should be. To unhide them, select the column to the left of the hidden one and drag across to the column on its right so both are highlighted. Right-click on one of the selected column headers and choose Unhide from the menu. The hidden column will immediately reappear. If you've got multiple hidden columns scattered throughout your sheet and you want to reveal all of them at once, click the small triangle in the upper left corner of the sheet where the row and column headers meet. This selects the entire worksheet. Then right-click any column header and choose Unhide. Excel will check all 16,384 columns and reveal any that were hidden. You'll see all your missing columns come back in one go. If column A is hidden, use the name box instead. Click the name box on the left side of the formula bar, type A1 and press Enter. Then go to Home, click Format, hover over Hide and Unhide, and click Unhide Columns. Column A will reappear at the leftmost edge. Now, if you're not looking for hidden columns but actually need to add brand new columns to your spreadsheet, right-click the column letter where you want the new column to appear. Choose Insert from the menu. A new blank column immediately appears, and Excel automatically shifts all the existing columns to the right to make room. If you need to add multiple new columns at once, instead of inserting them one by one, select the same number of adjacent columns as the number you want to add. So if you need 3 new columns, drag across 3 column headers to highlight them. Right-click on the selected headers and choose Insert. Excel will insert that many blank columns all at once to the left of your selection, and you'll see all the existing columns shift right to accommodate them. If the unhiding methods didn't work, check if your sheet is protected under Review. You may need to unprotect it. Also check under Data to see if filtering is active, because that can make columns appear missing when they're not actually hidden. Thanks for watching.